Hello, I will tell about operating systems. Operating systems are crucial for functionality of computers, providing an essential interface between hardware and software. They manage hardware resources and facilitate user interaction with the computer. The most popular operating systems include Windows, Linux, and macOS. Each serving different user needs. Windows is widely used in personal and enterprise environments, known for its user-friendly interface. Linux is preferred for its security and flexibility, especially in servers and embedded systems. Mac OS, with its seamless integration with Apple's ecosystem, is followed by creative professionals. In the mobile sector, Android and iOS dominate, offering extensive app libraries and robust features. Operating systems are continuously evolving, focusing on security, efficiency, and user experience. The integration of cloud computing and Internet of Things with operating systems is a growing trend. The future of operating systems look towards more adaptive, intelligent, and interconnected frameworks, enhancing the overall computing experience. That's all.